Hi, Joyce. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to buy coin before listing. Okay, how to rebuy coin before listing. Okay, and this strategy is going to make you a lot of money, even more than $1,000 in a month. Okay, as long as you keep following this process and keep staking. Okay. So all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Binance account. If you do have a verified Binance account, come to this dashboard. Okay, if you come to this dashboard, all you just need to do, look at this whole place and click on more. Okay, if you click on more, what you should look for in this very place is launch pool. So once you look for a launch pad, click on the launch pad. So in this very place, these are where coins are farmed. Okay, these are where coins are farmed before launching in the market. Okay, coin is farmed here before what? Before listing on an exchange. Okay, now you can see Binance is about to Binance is about to list XAI. Okay, it's about to list XAI. The total reward that Binance was expected is 750 million. Then the farming period is 4 days. Then the time until farming ends now is 2 days, 3 hours and 9 minutes. Okay, all right. What you just need to do now, scroll down a little and see. You can see this TUSD pool, right? You can see this TUSD pool. You can stake TUSD to get XAI. You can as well stick FDUSD pool to get SAI. You can as well stick Binance to get what? To get XAI. Okay, you can see this is very fascinating. It's very amazing. Okay, so all you just need to do now, make sure you have some USDT on your balance. Okay, if you have some USDT on your balance, choose between these three because this is what you are asked to stake. You can either stake TUSD or FDUSD or BNB, but I advise you stake BNB. Okay, you stake what? You stake BNB. So don't forget, Launchpad or your own can be different. It could be launch pool. Okay, either Launchpad or launch pool. Anyone you find yourself, yeah, then make use of it because your app might be different from mine, and my interface as well could be different from yours. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have some BNB or FDUSD or TUSD. Okay, and if you do have a USDT already on your balance, you can either convert it to BNB or you trade it to with BNB. Okay, or you trade your USDT against BNB, or you trade your USDT against FDUSD, or you trade your USDT against TUSD and come to stake. But I advise you should stake what? You should stake BNB. Okay, so if you come to stake BNB, that's after you might have purchased BNB. Okay, let's go back there. Let me show it to you. Okay, so if you have some USDT on your balance, all you just need to do, come to this place and trade. Okay, you can trade BNB. You can see, let me see the chart. Okay, you can see BNB is still at the lower Bollinger Band, EMA. Okay, you can see it's at the lower Bollinger Band and it could increase or rise any moment from now because where it is now, it's about to take off journey. Okay, it's about what? It's about to take off a journey. So I advise you get this BNB. All you just need to do is to click on buy. Use your whole volume if you have 300. 400, 100 USDT, or 1000 USDT. Use your whole volume to purchase BNB. Click on buy. Okay. So after you purchase BNB, go back to that launch pad. Sorry, go back to that launch pad. Go to your menu here and search. Click on more services. Search for launchpad or launch pool. Okay, all the same. Search for launchpad. Come back to this place and click on stake. So if you stake from this very place, it will allow you to get some. Okay, it will allow you to get somewhat some XAI when it's been listed, and you make a lot of profit from it. Okay, they will only take some portion of your money and give it to you, just some portion of your money. Okay, and award the token to you. Then you sell it and get back your USDT back. Okay, so you can see it is going to be two ways for you to make profit from this. Okay, it's going to be two ways. Now, once you are staking, you want to stake PNB, right? Then you click on purchase. The only reason is showing me to click on this purchase is because I don't have a BNB coin on this wallet. Okay, but if you do have a BNB coin, all you just need to do is just to proceed to stake. If you proceed to stake, it will show you either to use some portion or to use completely. Okay, so and in this place you can see the total stake here is over 14 million BNB has been staked here so far. Then you can check the FDUSDT that was staked here as well. You can see, wow, over 1 billion. And you can see the TUSDT that was taken is still over 1 billion as well. So it's better you stake or stake BNB. Okay, you can see the time left. So the only thing, and the way you are going to make money from this place, it's not only from this XAI token that you choose. You are going to make money from. We are going to make money in two ways. Okay, one is you are going to make money from this XAI because you are going to be awarded some portion from your own money. And secondly is that you still have the portion of your BNB to sell because the moment it's awarded, the rest will be released. Okay, you're going to have some portion of your BNB to sell, right? So you bought your let's say we bought our BNB from this place 306. You can see it's at the lower polygon band, getting ready to move. Okay, we can buy our BNB from this place, right? And by the time we are going to sell and the BNB goes to 32, you see, you're going to make a lot of profit. Okay, you will make a lot of profit. So the moment the BNB is at what is at 32, you see, your money will be automatically increased. So you make profit from the BNB and you as well make profit from the SAI coin. Okay, so I do hope that you understand. I do hope that you understood this class. If you do not understood, please do well to drop it at the comment section. Drop your question there. I will attend to you ASAP. So for the sake of this tutorial or this video, I do not want it to be too long. So I think I'm going to stop here. And I do hope you understood the class. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.